Every year, more than 60 billion coconuts are harvested across tropical regions of Asia, Africa, and South America. After the refreshing water is consumed and the white coconut meat is processed into food, oil, and countless everyday products, something remarkable is left behind: a thick, rough, and seemingly worthless outer husk. For decades, billions of these husks were burned, dumped into landfills, or simply left to rot in massive piles across plantations. Most people never gave them a second thought. But hidden inside this tough natural shell lies one of nature's strongest and most durable fibers, a material so resilient that it can survive harsh weather, salty ocean air, and years of wear without breaking down. Today, thanks to extraordinary advances in industrial engineering, intelligent automation, and sustainable manufacturing, this forgotten agricultural waste is transformed into premium eco-friendly textiles that are now finding their way into fashion brands around the world. Behind every soft garment lies an incredible journey powered by gigantic machines, precision technology, skilled workers, and one of the most fascinating manufacturing systems ever created. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most advanced coconut fiber factories to uncover every breathtaking step that turns billions of discarded coconut husks into soft, comfortable clothing worn by millions of people every single day. The journey begins deep inside vast tropical coconut plantations stretching across thousands of acres, where rows upon rows of towering coconut palms sway under the warm ocean breeze. Every morning, experienced harvesters carefully collect fully matured coconuts using specialized climbing equipment and modern harvesting tools, ensuring only perfectly ripened fruit enters the production chain. In larger plantations, mechanical harvesting systems and transport vehicles move enormous quantities of coconuts toward centralized collection centers, where the real transformation begins. Here, powerful automated de-husking machines quickly separate the thick outer husk from the valuable coconut inside. While the coconut itself continues toward food processing facilities, the coarse husks that once had little commercial value begin an entirely different journey, one that very few people have ever witnessed. Instead of becoming waste, millions of freshly removed coconut husks are stacked into enormous transport containers before being loaded onto heavy-duty trucks specially designed to carry bulky agricultural materials. Every hour, long convoys leave plantations carrying thousands of tons of husks toward highly specialized fiber processing facilities located near major industrial zones. Speed is important because freshly harvested husks retain natural moisture that helps preserve fiber quality. As the trucks travel along highways toward the factory, sophisticated logistics systems coordinate deliveries to maintain a continuous production schedule, ensuring that the factory never runs out of raw material. The moment the trucks arrive, every shipment undergoes a carefully controlled inspection process. Massive digital weighbridges automatically record the weight of each vehicle while quality control teams inspect moisture levels, contamination, and overall fiber condition. Once approved, hydraulic unloading systems tilt the trailers, allowing mountains of coconut husks to slide onto gigantic conveyor belts that immediately carry them deep inside the factory. The sheer scale is astonishing. Conveyor systems stretch for hundreds of meters, transporting what appears to be endless rivers of coconut husks through one automated stage after another without interruption. Before valuable fibers can be extracted, every husk must first pass through an extensive cleaning process. Large rotary cleaning drums tumble the husks while powerful air blowers remove leaves, dust, sand, stones, and other unwanted materials collected during harvesting and transportation. High-pressure washing systems further clean the surface, ensuring only pure natural material continues deeper into the production line. Overhead sensors constantly monitor the flow of material while intelligent control systems automatically adjust conveyor speeds to maximize efficiency. The factory operates like a perfectly synchronized machine where every component performs its task with incredible precision. Next comes one of the most fascinating stages in the entire manufacturing process. Gigantic industrial decorticating machines begin separating the valuable coconut fibers from the tough woody shell surrounding them. Massive rotating drums equipped with heavy steel beaters repeatedly strike and crush the husks with carefully controlled force. The powerful impacts loosen the long natural fibers without damaging their strength. As thousands of husks move continuously through the machines, clouds of loose golden-brown fibers begin emerging while the heavier woody material is automatically separated and transported away on independent conveyor systems. What looked like worthless agricultural waste only moments earlier is now revealing one of nature's most extraordinary textile materials. The extracted fibers continue into a sophisticated washing system where multiple cleaning stages remove remaining dust, natural oils, and tiny wood particles still attached after mechanical extraction. Powerful water circulation systems combined with precision filtration technology ensure every fiber is thoroughly cleaned while minimizing water consumption through advanced recycling equipment. After washing, automated squeezing rollers remove excess moisture before the fibers move toward enormous industrial drying chambers. Here, carefully controlled warm air flows gently through the moving fiber beds, gradually reducing moisture content while preserving flexibility, strength, and natural quality. Here, the factory begins transforming yarn into fabric. Towering computerized weaving looms interlace thousands of yarn threads together with extraordinary precision, creating strong woven textiles suitable for shirts, jackets, workwear, and home fabrics. Nearby, advanced circular knitting machines produce soft, flexible knitted fabrics ideal for comfortable everyday clothing. The synchronized rhythm of hundreds of machines creates an unforgettable industrial symphony as endless rolls of freshly woven fabric gradually emerge from the production lines. Every meter reflects the remarkable engineering hidden behind modern textile manufacturing. Although the fabric is now complete, it is still far from becoming the soft clothing people expect. It enters an extensive finishing department where specialized washing systems remove remaining natural residues before eco-friendly softening treatments enhance flexibility and comfort. Carefully controlled dyeing machines apply environmentally responsible colors while preserving the natural strength of the fibers. Large drying ovens stabilize the finished fabric before computerized finishing rollers smooth every surface, creating an exceptionally refined appearance. High-resolution inspection cameras scan every centimeter for weaving defects, color variations, or structural imperfections. Only fabric meeting the factory's strict international standards is approved for garment production. Gigantic automated cutting machines now spread multiple fabric layers across precision cutting tables. Guided by computer-controlled laser positioning systems, robotic cutting heads slice thousands of perfectly identical garment pieces with remarkable speed while minimizing material waste. Skilled technicians carefully organize every cut component before the pieces enter modern sewing lines where experienced operators and automated stitching systems work together. Sleeves, collars, pockets, panels, and seams gradually come together until complete garments begin appearing one after another with incredible efficiency. Every finished garment then passes through several independent quality control stations. Inspectors examine stitching accuracy, fabric consistency, measurements, durability, and overall appearance. Automated testing equipment measures seam strength and fabric performance while optical inspection systems verify every product meets international quality standards. Only garments that successfully pass every inspection continue toward packaging. Robotic folding machines carefully prepare each garment before automated packaging systems seal them inside recyclable protective packaging. Intelligent barcode systems, weight verification equipment, and high-speed vision cameras perform one final inspection before robotic palletizers organize thousands of packaged garments onto export pallets with flawless precision. Autonomous forklifts quietly transport the finished pallets into massive climate-controlled warehouses where sophisticated inventory systems track every product awaiting shipment. From these enormous logistics centers, trucks, freight trains, cargo ships, and international distribution networks carry the finished clothing to fashion brands, retail stores, online warehouses, and customers across every continent. What began as rough agricultural waste discarded in tropical coconut plantations has now become premium sustainable fashion enjoyed by millions of people around the world. Standing inside this extraordinary factory, it is almost impossible to believe that every soft shirt, comfortable jacket, or eco-friendly textile started as a hard coconut husk that many people once considered completely worthless. Through advanced engineering, intelligent automation, precision textile manufacturing, environmental responsibility, and strict quality control, one of nature's toughest materials has been transformed into sustainable clothing that helps reduce waste while protecting. The next time you wear a garment made from natural sustainable fibers, remember the incredible journey hidden inside every thread. Behind its softness lies an extraordinary story of innovation, technology, and human ingenuity, a journey that began with a simple coconut husk and ended as one of the world's most remarkable examples of modern sustainable manufacturing. Thank you for watching Factory Insider TV. If you enjoy discovering how the world's most fascinating products are made, be sure to subscribe for more factory documentaries that take you behind the scenes of modern manufacturing. We'll see you in the next Factory Insider adventure.